Okay, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be doing wind up and like and subscribe. Let's get into it. We're in it
He
and
said
now
it. He's mad by me. I didn't say it.
No.
I like my cheese everything. Oh no.
I like my cheese
yes.
drippy, bro.
I think you like your cheese moldy, little bro.
And I'm watching.
What did I do?
Guys,
What did I do? Now,
just see
miss.
that. I like to.
What the? You're harassing me, bro. Look.
If there's any creepers, I will stick my rose
He's a
up.
griefer. He's a griefer. He's a griefer.
Who's
a griefer?
Who?
Right here. Right here. He's a
He's
griefer.
a
He's
griefer.
for no reason. He's
right
for no reason.
Right here sounds good. Excuse me.
You
want to hear something? I'm a
sorry. I didn't mean to, bro. I pressed the wrong button.
I'm just a chill guy.
Are you pressing the
right button?
I think
I pressed the wrong button, bro. I swear.
Oopsies.
I pressed the wrong button. I swear to God.
My
Hey!
buttons just got smashed. Hey, we can settle it. We can settle it.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
so these people are really doing some weird stuff and ignore them.
I rose over one
Good
guy.
enough.
Me rosing somebody saying
I know, but I don't like doing that because I'm not pro. I'll go first.
I could kill her.
I'm a million.
Content
I'll go
creator.
first.
I will still hit it.
I seen him pull it. What if it's a
I'm
moderator?
the
I bet you won't do it for the moderator.
I'm a million.
I bet you won't do it for the moderators at the end. But I can make that jump. Oh man.
Hey, yo, bro, where's me?
Bro, I got things to do and bills to pay. Please.
How do I do this?
Oh, phew. Come here. We're not gonna hit you off. Come on. Hurry. Hurry or we will hit you off.
Oh,
Hello?
I love you.
This jump is.
Hey, look behind you. Hey, look behind you. Look behind you.
Remember, I got this for bad guys. I got this for good guys.
Brother, what is that?
Grandson,
Thank you.
No.
Here. Wait, no, I know what to do. Thank you. I know what to do. Thank you.
Baby.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, my bad.
Brother!
No, they double
I'm
rose.
confused all the time. Yeah, bro.
He was kind of being mean to me, so I roasted him again on accident.
Wait, hit me.
Hey, could you roast me?
I got you.
I swear to God, I'm not
Oh, wow.
No, I swear to God, I won't hit you up, bro.
Kaden.
I was trying to
Kaden.
roast you at the first part. I don't know.
I could roast you.
Whoa!
Okay.
I won't hit you.
Don't roast me from there. Don't roast me from there. It's not gonna work.
It's so hard.
Hey.
Watch this.
Hey, you.
Let's go.
Bro.
No.
What you hit me off
Wait,
for?
say first.
What you hit me off for?
I
I swear to God, that's
Oh, buddy.
Hit me off one more time, man.
I swear to God.
Get the whole gang up on
You guys suck so
Buddy
bad.
has not that,
No.
bro.
Yeah, this only sucks, bro.
There's no small
I'm getting hit up for absolutely no reason.
No, not
Hit him off.
What is that? Hey, watch me.
Like, I swear to God, you guys don't.
Bro, why are you throwing bug dudes at us? I'm trying to show you. I'm just trying to wait, Cameron, say that. I'm just trying to show. I'm just trying to show.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. You're a different person.
You put hit me off.
You're a different person. Everybody
There's one time there was like this one person where he tried to kill me.
Jackson,
I tried to kill you.
them that I had.
Yeah, it's that guy.
Don't let him on. Don't let him on.
Whatever
Whatever you do, don't let him on.
You cannot report me.
You.
Hey,
This guy. There's problems.
Go
I'm not
away
gonna do
from
anything. I'm not gonna do anything.
Bro did not think he did.
Can you riz me? You guys have a lot of face right now. No. He's going to hit me off. He's going to hit me off.
I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, wait.
Are you blind?
Oh, yeah.
You guys gotta hit me like you. There's a person like you that can kill you. And the same like cosmetics.
Wait, I'm saying, what's your range?
I don't think I can be able to.
I'm a million.
Yeah.
Yo, Johnny. I'm just
Again.
Rose me. Yo,
What you say?
you get over there.
Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Don't go up, don't go up. Don't go up. Hello.
What you trying to do? This only a suck, bro.
Just like you.
Oh, nah.
We're trying to get you. Oh, my bad.
Accidentally. What did I do?
Get it.
Everything.
You're coming up with us.
I'm coming up with them. I'm getting
Okay.
raised by the skibbity
Wait, now
dogs.
rose us, buddy. Rose us, buddy. Hey, you. Rose us.
Yeah, you. Hey, hey.
Yo, Rose us. Rose us. No. No.
Hey, hold on. Oh, no.
Yo, Kaden, raise me up. Raise me up. I can't raise me up.
Stay there.
Oh,
I'm not gonna hit you up if you don't hit me down. I'm sorry, God. Why is the pink guy trying to roll me if he's gonna hit me off again?
I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not even pink. I'm blue.
No, because you were with that guy, I'm pretty sure. Which guy? Which guy?
Cameron.
Cameron.
No, you don't need to do that. They were all dying.
Skibbity gods. I'm getting rizzed up by the skibbity gods. Hey, watch out. Watch out, fella. Trying to kill me could get you really in danger.
Yo, roast me! Yo, roast me! Roast me! Yo!
You don't know what
I didn't roast you when I get there.
This is 2K out of
Bro,
here.
you don't know. He's trying to come back from there to there. Bro, Jackson, I had to tell that dude. Trying to, I had to tell Jackson, I had to tell this dude from trying to come back from there to there just to hit me off. They have no experience. I just got done sliding up off of Sesame Street and hit. And Bobby got 10 kills with block. Hey, rose me up.
Go more on this side. Go more on this side.
Huh?
Go more on this side.
I'll rose him up. I
No,
literally
don't
already-
riz us yet. Don't riz us yet.
No, riz me. Riz me.
Yeah, riz him. Riz him.
Don't riz me. I swear to God, I can't trust
Did I hit you?
I won't hit you. I do. All you guys up
I
there
really
hit me
got
off.
you.
We don't hit you up.
What?
Yeah,
I'm not one of those one people.
back in business, baby.
What did I do?
I'm playing, buddy.
Yo, that's my name. How you know my name?
I'm just playing, buddy.
Yo, how do you know my name?
Jackson, watch out.
I don't know.
Jackson, watch out. Jackson, watch out. Jackson, watch out from him before me.
Bro,
No, don't riz me yet.
I'm just gonna let this guy. Oh my God! Just let him pass.
I won't.
It's when the popular.
Oh!
okay, just get.
Why are you hitting people off, too?
Not.
It kind of looks like my pinky.
Cameron, why you hitting me, bro? What did I do to you? I was getting my butt.
Just riz me. Just riz me.
This is getting 2K out of here.
Doing.
Gonna end it.
No!
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.